The biggest mistake new cycling YouTubers make is spending $23 a month on Premiere Pro when the best software is completely free. If you want to edit your first ride this weekend, start with CapCut. It's free and it's 95% accurate AI. Captions in 40 languages will save you hours, but when you're ready to level up, download DaVinci Resolve 20. Yes, the full version is totally free. DaVinci is the best free editor on any platform. It gives you professional-grade color grading and audio tools without the subscription cost. Here's the catch. It's incredibly powerful, so you'll need about 3 hours of YouTube tutorials before you feel truly productive. For Mac loyalists, Final Cut Pro costs $300 one time, offering super fast rendering on Apple Silicon. Or, if you want to edit a bikepacking trip from your tent, Luma Fusion on iPad handles 6 simultaneous video tracks for just $30. Now for the editing workflow. The part most people completely miss is ruthless cutting. Import everything, watch it all at 2x speed, and only pull the absolute best moments to your chronological timeline. Be incredibly picky with what makes the cut. A 3-minute video from a 2-hour ride is totally normal. If a clip doesn't add value, delete it. Remember, music dictates the mood more than your visual edits. The YouTube audio library is safe and free, but Epidemic Sound gives the best selection for $15 a month. Always sync your clip transitions to the musical beat. This one simple trick makes amateur footage instantly feel much more professional. The most cinematic editing trick in cycling is the speed ramp. Slow your footage down to 50% for dramatic moments, like cresting a steep climb, then quickly ramp back up to 100 or 200% for those long, boring flat sections. In DaVinci Resolve, just right-click your clip, select Retime Controls, and add speed points. This is where beginners get tricked into buying expensive third-party plugins. But the built-in free tools do the exact same thing once you know where to look. To keep viewers engaged, add data. Dashware is free for Windows and imports your .fit files for power and speed gauges. For 3D route animations, Relive has an excellent free tier, or you can use your $12 Strava subscription flyovers. Finally, boost saturation by 15% and add a warm tint for golden hour rides. Keep it simple, and please, resist the urge to use crazy, distracting transitions. Hit subscribe for episode 3 on camera mounts.